You might not believe me, but I've just built a full Chrome extension and it's now available in the Chrome store, so you can use it completely free. I'll show you what I've built, and I did it with MuleRun. Plus, I also built a full landing page using MuleRun. So this is MuleRun. You can check them out right now in the link in the description. They are providing a sign-up bonus of free 700 credits. Plus, they're also providing extra credits if you sign up for their community. So don't forget to check that out in the link in the description. This is my MuleRun dashboard, and I can do development straight from the actual computer. So I don't have to download the actual app, but I do have the option to download it. There's a mobile app, there's a browser extension, and there's a desktop app. The cool thing is that there's a full computer running behind MuleRun, which makes things really practical, especially if you don't have a really good computer or you're browsing on someone else's computer, and you can use MuleRun straight from the actual dashboard from the web version. Now let me show you what I've built, and let me get started with the actual Chrome extension that you can download right now and start using. This is now available in the Chrome store. It's called Coffee Brew Timer. Now what you can do here is, if you're a coffee lover, you'll be able to brew with timing right here. Let me launch it right now. So this is the actual Chrome extension right now that I've built with MuleRun, and I can select the recipe that I want to use. For example, this one. I can select the amount of dosage, for example, 20 grams of coffee, the preparing steps, so I can do this manually with the prepared steps, or I can start brewing right now with this. And it'll let me know with the timer how much time I have to wait, how much time I have to rinse, and I can jump into next steps. So now it knows that I have to pour the water and the coffee. So it has all the available steps here. Here we go, remaining, boom, 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 until we're done. And we're good to go to start serving. You can see here, completed. I can even rate this so I can later come back to this same recipe and start using it. And I can save it to my history, which will be available right here. Plus a ton of settings available. It's in English, Spanish, Italian, French, and I think German. I don't remember. There's a light version, dark version, reduced motion, and so many settings available here. And all of this, I built it with MuleRun, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. Now, how did I do this? Well, I used the computer from the actual browser. I used the computer from inside of MuleRun. Let me show you what I did. I jump over to computer, and it's going to open up this system where I can actually start building from here. So all of this was built right here, including debugging, fixing, improving, remaking, and just making changes as I go along until I got the right version that I needed. There's a lot of back and forth, and yes, this is normal when you are vibe coding, but here's my main prompt for the Coffee Brew Timer. So yes, I did provide a really good and robust prompt to get started. This is really important, so you save a ton of credits and you get a better output. So do your research first and write a really good prompt so you get the output. Once that's done, you'll have the all files here. It's a file manager where you have all your files right here. So here's the files that I've built, the zips that it generated for me, so I can upload into the Chrome extension and upload it to the Chrome store. And all the available information is available for me to download and use. So it's not like MuleRun is going to keep the stuff. I have the access to all of the files. Again, if you don't like this, you can go ahead and download the desktop version and develop from there. Now, how about the actual website that I built? Let me show you what I did. So here's the website that I built. It's for a marketing agency, and there's even a web preview where I can check it out here. And I can even publish it straight from here, which I already did. So if I have a client, I can go ahead and share this page right now with them. And this is what I built with MuleRun. This is a landing page that I've just built with them, which is pretty cool because it's animated. If I move it, the elements move. It's modern, it's cool. You can go ahead and check out all these elements, how they move, how they flow. So it's not your simple landing page that looks like your ordinary AI built page. This was actually well thought out with MuleRun development. Again, I did provide a really good prompt in the beginning, so I get the results that I actually want. There's even a light mode. See how cool that changed? Check that out. All of this, I thought about it because I wanted to be animated. I didn't want it to be a plain website where it didn't have that flow. And I can decide what I want to be default, light mode or dark mode. So it's really practical to do all of that in here with the development. And as I told you, you have the web preview, and there's also a browser takeover. So if you need to do something that needs takeover, you can do it straight from here. So it provides you all the tools that you're going to need for developing or researching or generating images or just whatever you're going to need. Now, I've just showed you what I've done with Computer and with the simple chat. Now you can do way more stuff using the Studio, the CLI, and you got your complete drive right here. You can generate images, create videos, training, even create a game, build a website, and much more. So all you have to do is just tell it what you want, and it's going to give you that great output. So what are you waiting for? If you want to build a Chrome extension or a full page, you can use MuleRun right now and take advantage of that promotion that they have available. So check out those links in the description for the full details. I hope you like this video. Please let me know what you think about MuleRun and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.